All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jade. It's time to go ahead and give you a video that I've been actually waiting to give you. This is the Pistachio Z Fold 8 silicone magnet case. Now, I've been using my favorite case so far has been the grip case from D brand, because I like it has the front piece too. So I took it off for this video so I can do this installation for you. And I'm going to use this for a little bit and follow up again for you. But ultimately what happened is, and by the way, this video is being recorded with not either one of these phones, not my Fold 8 Ultra or my Fold 7. It's being recorded with the Moto Razr. Yes, love the Moto Razr. The quality is amazing and it's really good. So I want to give it to you like this. And you know what you need to do. If you're watching this, get your phone and open it up. That's what you need to do. Open up. Watch it like this in the full resolution, folks. That's why I record this video for you, because if you're watching folding phone videos, you want to enjoy it on your folding phone. So let's make this happen. Here is the silicone case for the Z Fold 8, and it is in Pistachio. Now, what happened is my wife actually bought a cream 1 terabyte version of this phone, and I only had 30 credits when I bought mine, but I ended up going to Best Buy to get the rest of the accessories though. But I only had 30 credits for some reason, and she had 200. So she had $200 in credits. So she got this and that carbon fiber one that's $110, and this is $90. Whoa. And she also got the little pop socket thing on the back of the 360 stand thing with hers as well. And so she said, hey, do you want one of these? I said, get the Pistachio. I have the Pistachio phone, so I'd like the Pistachio. So this is where we are right now. I'm going to go ahead and show you what this looks like on the phone. Obviously, it looks pretty good, but this is the casing that it comes in. And also, you see, it comes with screen protectors. So, I mean, it's cool that they're giving screen protectors. However, you know, I mean, it's kind of ludicrous at what this costs. Let's just get the case out right here. Because when I first saw this, I was like, where's the front piece? I genuinely did. So you get 2 screen protectors in here, which is fine. I like that you get some screen protectors, but you only get the back piece, man. I did not know that this only came with the back piece, but that's what you get. This is where we are right now. We're not, and it comes with a screen protector guide and everything. So here is the Pistachio rear piece. This is nuts. You get this area here, and let me get something MagSafe real quick just to show you. It is super strong magnet on here, which is really nice. I really like that it has at least a strong magnet, because that's going to help for it being on my car mounts and then also charging, because this phone cannot wirelessly charge magnetically on its own. You need some sort of case or something to do it. So that's important. So this Pistachio color right here is obviously going to be a little different than the actual phone itself. You want that because you want to have the contrast. But it's got these little sticky things in here. These aren't really sticky things, folks. This is just like adhesive or whatever. And it's something just to help give it a little bit of grip. So that is what that's for. So let's put it on. And it, you know, it looks how it looks. This is how it looks. I mean, for $90, man. I mean, come on, Samsung. You gotta do better than this, man. $90. Ugh. I would never pay $90 for this. I would definitely go on to AliExpress, where I've ordered some cases from, and you'll see those in a second in another video. But, you know, this is nice. Okay, this is a nice case. I just wish it had the front piece. There's no way that Samsung wants $90 for this right here. It's just not worth $90. Now, I didn't pay the $90 for it, but for those that did, or you didn't have any kind of credits, if this is going to be your only case and you can find a use case scenario for it, I get it, respect. I just wouldn't do it. I would not pay $90 on this, not even $65. I'd pay maybe $10 for this, because you can definitely find everything on AliExpress for Samsung cases, like Samsung OEM cases you can find on AliExpress. And AliExpress has been my go-to for accessories lately, except for when I went to get my grip from Best Buy. I mean, other than that, yeah, this is a nice case. I'm not saying it's not a nice case, but $90, son? $90? I don't know about that one, man. I don't know about that one, but it's nice. I'm going to wear it for a little bit, but I'm also going to be showing you other cases as well. So stay on the lookout for that. I'm actually going to record another video right after this one. I'll put that video out soon, but Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got this, any one of these, what accessories, if you had $200 in credits, like my wife did, what did you get with that $200 credit? Did you get a bunch of cases, screen protectors? Because the screen protectors come in the box now. Like, you don't get a front piece on this. And so, they give it to you in the box. It's a nice combo, man. I love this right here. I love it, but not for the people who end up having to pay this price for it. I feel for people who, and I think they'll end up discounting these to later on down the line. And a lot of people will get them, but max for me would be like $10 on this, for real. Anyway, it's a nice case. It feels good. I'll let you know how the charging goes in my car and all the other places where I wirelessly charge. And I'll see you in the next video. What do you think about this $90 case, or half a case, I should say? This has become the new norm. Pay attention, folks. Every case now, an accessory, companies don't make a lot of money off you when you buy the phone. So they're trying to get that money from you from somewhere else. And this is where it's going to come from. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.